Dear parents and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. It is with great pleasure that I stand before you to welcome you to in our annual function. My name is Sobia Alauddin, and today the topic of my speech is I am proud of my nation. Imagine standing amidst the vibrant colors of bustling market, the aroma of spices blending with the hum of voices. This is my Pakistan, a nation of unparalleled diversity where each street tells a story and each voice echoes resilience. Yet, how often do we pause to appreciate it? Ladies and gentlemen, as I stand here today, I proclaim with conviction, I am proud of my nation. तौहीद का नारा है, उम्मीद का परचम है, अपनी मेरी धरती, अपना मेरा मौसम है, इस खाक पे मैं कुर्बान, इसकी ही दीवानी हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ. You may ask why I am proud of my nation? Because this nation was built on sacrifice. It was a dream of a man who stood unwavering, a man who envisioned a land where people of all faiths could breathe freely. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah dream gave us this homeland, and today we honor his legacy. In the times of despair, my nation rises. Remember the 2005 earthquake? The ground shook, but the hearts of Pakistanis stood firm. From every corner of this land, people came together, extending hands of support and proving that unity is our greatest strength. Look at our youth, brilliant minds who shine on global stages. Arfaq Kareem, the youngest Microsoft certified professional, made history. These are not just individuals, they are Pakistan's heartbeat, a testament to our potential. मैं डरा नहीं, मैं दबा नहीं, मैं झुका नहीं, मैं बिका नहीं, मैं छुप छुपा के खड़ा नहीं. जो डटे हुए हैं महाज पर, मुझे उन सफ़ों में तलाश कर. And who can forget our armed force on border and beyond? They protect this soil with unwavering dedication. It's because of them that we sleep peacefully at night. Yet, like any nation, we face challenges, economic struggles, political divides. But does that diminish our pride? No, challenges are not roadblocks. They are stepping stones to growth. Ladies and gentlemen, to be proud of one's nation is not ignore its flaws, but to embrace them, to work for its betterment, and to dream of a brighter tomorrow. Because nations don't grow with criticism, they thrive on hope. So I invite you all to look beyond the headlines and see the soul of this land, the warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the promises of its future. I am proud of my nation, not just for what it was and what it is and what it will become, because this is my Pakistan and its story is my story. Thank you.